Today, we are going to be actually showcasing our websites that we have been working on in the STEM Career Connections program at the Lawson Academy. You guys have been going through all these careers in maritime. We've been going into STEM, and we've also been looking at real world ports as well. So we looked at Port Houston during this journey too. Now, I have seen you guys grow in just how you've been using your technology, how you've been researching, using the 4C skills.
This is Maritime Adventure.
This website is about different things you may see in a maritime.
STEM is a mixture of science, technology, engineering, and math.
You see the model here, we have STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Problem solving and critical thinking, and together they make up a popular and fast-growing industry.
Things that you could do in STEAM.
Kids and teens increase their knowledge about the world around them. STEM helps kids learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. As a result of STEM, many children have decided to work in a field that pertains to the subject of STEM.
STEM is a program that can benefit kids to be able to learn on a level that they will be able to understand and can help them to get jobs in the future.
Maritime is connected with the sea, especially in relations to seafaring, commercial, or military activity. In maritime, most of the industry involves the transportation of goods and people over large waterways, such as cruise liners, cargo ships, and ferries.
Having a maritime career means that you most likely will work in the ocean or doing things dealing with the ocean.
Careers in maritime. Now I will list some careers that you can have while working in maritime. Lifeguard, deckhand, cook, captain, welder, heavy equipment operator, attorneys, chemists, graphic designers.
Some maritime careers are detective, pilot, engineering, fireman, oiler, and water tender, chef cooking, and culinary specialist, licensed engineer, aquaculture.
The job options are port manager, operation managers, supply chain manager.
Storage and use of toys and tenders. Marine biology. Marine biology is the study of marine organisms, their behavior, and interactions with the environment.
The Port of Houston is one of 10 seaports along Texas' 367-mile-long coastlines along the Gulf of Mexico.
Port Houston is one of the world's biggest ports. Why is Port Houston important? The 52-mile-long Houston Ship Channel is the busiest waterway in the U.S.
What happens at Port Houston? The Port of Houston is one of 10 seaports along Texas' 367-mile-long coastline along the Gulf of Mexico. Each seaport facilitates the movement of goods between Texas and nations throughout the world.
What happens at Port Houston? Port Houston owns and manages and operates 8 public terminals along the 52-mile waterway.
Additional nearly $5.7 billion in state and local tax revenues are generated by business activities.
Marine engineers and naval architects design and oversee testing, installation, and repair.
Marine engineer is a professional who has studied marine engineering, sometimes also called maritime engineering, and is responsible for the operation, maintenance, and repair for all major mechanical and engineered equipment on board a ship.
Marine engineering. Marine engineering is the engineering of boats, ships, submarines, and any other marine vessel. Here it is also taken to include the engineering of other ocean system and structures, referred to in certain academics and professional circles as ocean engineering.
Marine engineering. Now you may be asking, what can you do in marine engineering and how much money can you make from it? Well, you could fix conveniences and accidents that happen on the ship, and depending on how much experience you have, you could make from 30K at fourth all the way to chief and 156K. There's people working on the ship or engineering stuff. I ain't look into it like that.
What type of schooling do you need to take for marine engineering? Marine engineers and naval architects typically need a bachelor's degree in marine engineering and naval architect, respectively, or related fields such as engineering. Some marine engineering and naval architect programs are offered at state maritime academies.
Marine biology is a scientific study of the biology of marine life.
Of life organisms in the sea.
You can sample the oceans from boats and ships and go diving on reefs. You can make up to $33K to $99K as a marine biologist.
Here we have some jobs of marine biology and what they can make of.